Yeah, hello. So this is Soul here. Shooting this video here about masculine energy, spiritual wise, and emotions, and how these two are connected. In a sort of before I forget a moment here. Yeah. So if you suppress emotions, both negative or positive, what happens is you actually strangle your chakra energy flow throughout your body. You don't let the emotion out and you sink down in consciousness. So, an effective strategy, for example, by a low vibrational human being, is to attack you in a way where you're gonna be upset, where you cannot fully express your feelings or being to that person due to social conventions, which you can give the finger to in reality. But when it comes to family, things needs to be taken in a more delicate matter. Uh, yeah. So when you know about this, you, you're gonna sense it in a way where you are reacting, are arguing with an inner image of something. And there is the show of something being blocked. Something is being suppressed in your memory. It's a symptom. You need to find it. And just by knowing that is that, you're gonna be able to identify it much faster. Yeah. Anyhow, this is Soul saying goodbye.